Hello, welcome to Tutor KE. I'm taking you through Form 3 Mathematics, Topic 2, which is Approximation and Errors. And in this lesson, I'll focus on approximation. Approximation involves rounding off and truncating numbers to give an estimation. Let's look at rounding off. In rounding off, the place value to which a number is to be rounded off must be stated. The digit occupying the next lower place value is considered. The number is rounded up if the digit being considered is greater or equal to 5 and remains the same if it is less than 5. For example, when we are told to round off 395.184 to the nearest hundreds, this is how we proceed. We have 395.184. First, we know that the place value being rounded off is hundreds, and that one is occupied by digit 3. So we consider the digit which is lower in the place value to that digit, and that is the next digit, which is 9. And since 9 is greater than 5, then it means that digit 3 must be rounded up, and this one will give us 4. Then we have 0. So when we round off 395.184, we get 400, that is rounding it off to the nearest 100. Let us also look at truncating. Truncating is very unique because it means cutting off numbers to the given decimal places or significant figures, ignoring the rest. So basically, you don't care about the next digits. You just care about the number of significant figures or decimal places which you are told to truncate to. So it doesn't matter if the next digit is greater or equal to 5 or it is less than 5. You just cut it off. For example, when we are told to truncate 3.2465, we are told to truncate to 3 decimal places. So to 3 decimal places, we count 1, 2, 3. Then we cut off the rest of the digits, and this one gives us 3.246. You'll notice that we've not considered 5, even if it is greater than 5 or it is 5 itself. It could have changed the digit 6 if we were rounding off. But because we are truncating, we just cut it off, and our final answer becomes 3.246. Again, we are told to truncate it to 3 significant figures. So again, we just count up to 3 significant figures, and then we cut off the rest of the digits. 3.2465 is the number. So significant figures, we start from 3. We have 1, 2, 3. Then we cut off the rest of the digits, and we'll have our final answer is 3.24. Lastly, let us look at estimation. In estimation, we will round off numbers in order to carry out calculations faster to get an approximate answer, which is useful in checking on the actual answer. Remember, when you are estimating, you cannot get the actual answer, you just get an estimation. For example, when you are told to estimate the answer to 152 multiplied by 269 divided by 32, we need to round off the given numbers before carrying out the operation or before doing the calculations. That one will help us do calculations very fast. In this case, it is easier to round down 152 to 150. And it makes sense to round up 269 to 270. That is close to 269. Now, this one should be divided by 32. But it is easier to round down 32 to 30. So carrying out our calculations on this will be very easy, because we'll have 150, you multiply by 270, and that one will give you 40,500, which is quite easy and faster than multiplying 152 by 269. Divide by 30, and this gives us 1,350. This is an approximate answer or an estimated answer, which can be used to check on the actual answer. What I mean is that this one is close. This answer here is very close to the answer when we carry out the actual operation or the actual calculation. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you have enjoyed and you've understood.